Hi, good morning. Paul here. It is March 20th. I had a hard time loading my computer up this morning. Must have been a big Chrome update or something. Chrome just would not open. It took me almost 20 minutes to get my computer started, and then I had to completely restart it. No updates appeared though. So anyway, let's see what's happening in the Las Vegas market. We've been 2 days, so let's get this straightened out here. Okay, so today, wow, look at that already today. We have got a townhome, 880 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. Interesting. No pictures yet. Tropicana Mountain Vista. Okay, right off Boulder Highway there. Alright. Quite small for a 2-bedroom, but you know, who knows. So that's number 1. Let's see what else we have. This house over here, 2-story, single family, 6729 square feet, pool, spa, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage. $1,775,000. Wow, lots of trees there. It's a nice house. I like that. Big open rooms. Wet bar. Matching kitchen. Nice closet. Yeah, it's a nice kitchen there. Kind of like that. See what the backyard looks like. It's got nice plantation shutters. Look at that. Nice pool area. Looks like it's got quite a large lot. I don't see any covered patio though. Interesting. There's the covered patio. For a house this size and this price range, you'd think it would have a covered patio. Alright. It was built in '99. Oh yeah, and Glen Rock Drive. Where are we? Lake Mead. Okay, Summerlin area, Mountain Falls. Okay. Alright. Then we have yesterday. Looks like a condo here, 480 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 2-story, $59,950. Bars on the windows. Nicely upgraded. Okay. Twin Paradise. Okay. It's a good location, close to the strip. Okay, and the highest priced one yesterday. Wow. Properties came on the market yesterday. $1,950. 3,000 square feet. Wow, 2 bedrooms. $1,950,000. That must be a pretty nice townhome. Oh, look at that view. Pool. Wow. Townhome with a pool. That's interesting. That view. Great outdoor living area. 5,000 square feet. Kind of like it. Contemporary style. What's that? They got a bottle of champagne there. Too bad they don't have a table right there so you can just drink it while you're in the tub instead of having to reach over. Yep. Pretty darn nice. Look at that. So where are we here? Serenity Point. Yeah, it looks pretty serene to me. Down Highlands, of course. Okay. That's that. Alright, we have today, this is 6, 13, 14, 541 in escrow. Let's see what is sold in the last couple of days. Price, date. Okay, that's out of the area. We've got a townhome, 748 square feet, 89.9. Closed escrow yesterday. That's pretty nice. Then the highest priced one that closed escrow yesterday. Oh, closed escrow yesterday. Busy day. 75. $23 million. Okay, boys and girls. What? $23 million for a 1,380 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, single family home? You've got to be kidding me. Oh, there's a mistake there. How about $235? $235,000. Yeah. That thing was definitely somebody put an extra zero in there. Oh, Pedro. Well, we'll just fix this. I'll do that later. Okay. So, I think that's it. Let's see what else we have in the last couple of days that is closed escrow. Back on the 18th. We had a little 2-story condo, 774 square feet. That looks nice. And on the 18th, a lot of properties closed escrow on the 18th. 2.8 million. 5,000 square foot. Wow, look at that. Looks like this thing's kind of bent and leaned over. Pretty weird looking. Distorted pictures. That looks pretty nice. Contemporary. Like I said, I'm starting to like those. Okay, well, we're in this almost 9.5 minutes. So, I will talk to you tomorrow. You have a great day.